In today's video, I will teach you how to turn your photo into a mosaic image using AI. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Photo or AI Artifact. Now we're going to upload your image. To do this, click Upload and select the photo that you want to turn into a mosaic. Alternatively, you can also drag and drop your image into the editor. Now we're going to browse the art styles. On the left panel, you'll see various art categories, and you can scroll through them or use the search bar to find a mosaic effect. Now, click on the mosaic style that you like, and Photo will apply the effect in about 10 seconds. Now click the compare button at the bottom right corner to toggle between your original and stylized version. And once you're satisfied, click download to save the final image to your computer. With just a few clicks, you can transform any photo into a mosaic style image using Photo's AI. It's fast, fun, and a great way to breathe a new life into your pictures. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.